Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular session, we are going to talk about total clinical seats available in India. We will see the branch-wide distribution, which branches got how many seats and in how many colleges. So that if you are targeting particular branch, you have an idea how many seats are available. I have already given a distribution in the previous video. You can check out for state-wise distribution of clinical seats. I understand mostly candidates look for clinical seats. In case in last option they keep non-clinical. So if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and you can share with your friends. You can comment us. You can give your suggestion and comments. We have a description. In the description you can have a telegram group link which you can join. There are ebooks available in the description which are very important ebooks. If you want to analyze the data, you can download these deemed universities ebook which carries last year cutoff, tuition fee, bond, and all other details for all the deemed universities available in India. Open states, there are around 12 open states. For all the open states you can get details like cutoff, tuition fee for different categories, and the seat availability. DNB counseling is very important because there are more than 500 hospitals which you have to do the choice filling. On average it takes like 2 days just to do the choice filling because the list is huge, and for each and every hospital you have to give multiple branches. So you can find here all the hospital related details, how many beds are there in particular hospital, and it is categorized the order of hospitals in which you should look at it, and last year cutoff and other details branch wise as category wise. And we do provide paid services. So paid service guidance, now we are giving discount for some few more days. So in case if you are interested and want to save some money, you can avail the services now. The advantage of getting the services available now, that we will provide you a kind of analysis based on your current progress and all the preferred branches, budget and all your states, all other preferences and choices, and we will able to give you idea which are the colleges possible in the kind of like vision will be given to you, which are the possibilities after you write the exam, so that you have all well set for those options and have a realistic vision. Okay, and we provide the counseling guidance for DNB, MSMD, government, private, deemed universities, NB diploma, the course getting launched first time, CPS and FCPS as well. And in case anyhow you don't get the seat due to any limitation in the particular year 2021, then same service will continue in the next year without paying any extra money. Okay, so let's get into our main topic. So clinical seats availability in 2020, it was around 24,558 seats. In 2021, so far we have got 28,706 seats, and so increment is 4,148. We are expecting some more increment, and I have not included NB diploma seats in this 4,148. So you can add 720 NB diploma seats, and in NB diploma they are writing more seats. The approval is and accreditation is still in progress, and some more medical colleges will get approval for more seats. So you have plenty of seats, and government is dedicated to increase more seats in the upcoming year. So have good option and opportunity. So just you need to focus on preparation as of now. And if you look at the distribution of seat branch wise, so radiodiagnosis has got 1,908 seats in 290 colleges. Dermatology has got 1,013 seats in 271 colleges. For these two branches, the cutoff goes high because these two are demanding branches, and you can have bright career once you complete your PG MD through in these branches. General medicine is a kind of evergreen branch which is always demanding, and it has got 4,108 seats in 336 colleges. Almost all the colleges will have general medicine branch, and pedia 2,661 seats in 328 college. For TVNHS there are 718 seats in 199 colleges. Ortho, Obs, Gynae, General Surgery, these are surgical branches. It has got 2,189 in 320 colleges. Obs, Gynae, especially female candidate prefer Obs, Gynae branch. So it has got 3,038 in 330 colleges. In last few years, we have observed that cutoff is getting higher for this OBG branch because it's coming in more demand. General surgery, the seats are 3,696 in 335 colleges. Nuclear medicine just got 63 seats in 12 medical colleges. Psychiatry medicine 990 seats in 243 colleges. Talking about anesthesia, it is also very common branch, and you can see this as a kind of part B branch, which is also called lower clinical branches: anesthesia, ophthal, ENT, radiotherapy, and pathology. So anesthesia has got 3,694 seats in 339 colleges. Ophthalmology 1,679 seats in 313 colleges. ENT 1196 in 303 colleges. Radiotherapy has got 594 seats and it is 87 colleges. Transfusion medicine got 28 seats in 11 medical colleges. Sport medicine 14 seats, and pathology has got 2,179 seats. One branch I missed, family medicine. It has got a good number of seats in NB diploma, more than 100 to 120 seats in I think 200. I'm not sure as of now, but it has good amount of seats in NB diploma. So considering those students who are planning for family medicine can have a good option in NB diploma. So you need to do the counseling smartly once you write your exam, and then the counseling person is the next. Once you write the exam, get the good score, that's not over. Counseling is very important, and either you do the expert counseling with all the information and details analyzed by you yourself, or you can hire a expert counselor who can do the counseling and guide you for the counseling process to get best possibility out of the rank and all the possibilities. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.